Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is iridium silver metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class is LED front and rear lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, black interior, panoramic sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, fold down rear seats, all seasoned floor mats. This one is equipped with the Premium 2 package, which comes with keyless go, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we have our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters. Let's go ahead and start it up. Backup camera, burl walnut trim, our dynamic select controls for our different driving styles. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sports Plus, and Individual. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.